With Ring, you get alerts so you always know what's up.
Oh, thank you. Can you stick that behind the railing, please?
But what if you're going somewhere? Or you're too busy to get an alert? Introducing Virtual Security Guard, an extra layer of protection with a professional live monitoring service, keeping an eye on your home when you need it.
Yo, I think it's unlocked.
This is Ring Security.
We're actively monitoring this property.
What the heck is that?
That is trusted monitoring companies protecting your home when you can't. Here's how it works. With a Virtual Security Guard subscription, simply tap whenever you want us to do the protecting for you. If you've got a delivery, they'll send you a text. If someone's on your property,
This is Ring Security. We're actively monitoring this property.
they can sound the siren. And if they need to, they'll even dispatch the police or send the fire department. You're always in control. You choose which compatible cameras to use, and the monitoring stops the moment you want it to. So relax with Virtual Security Guard. Real-time protection, real trusted agents, ultimate peace of mind.